Hi everyone. I would love to share SMS-iT Tutor-iT from SMS-iT, an agentic AI-powered screen assistant for real-time learning and instant support. Forget static tutorials. Forget endless documentation. Tutor-iT meets you where you are, on screen, in real time. It sees what you see, listens to what you ask, and responds intelligently like a real tutor, but better. Whether you're navigating a website, software, or a document, Tutor-iT understands the context and delivers voice-powered guidance on demand. Use it to train employees, onboard customers, support users, or simply understand what's in front of you, faster than ever before. It's intuitive. It's instant. It's intelligent. Here are the advanced benefits of SMS-iT Tutor-iT. 1. Real-time, context-aware intelligence. Tutor-iT doesn't just answer questions. It understands the exact screen you're viewing, combining screen context, visuals, and user prompts to give precise, intelligent answers. 2. Natural voice interaction with human-like realism. Hyperrealistic AI voices in multiple languages and accents allow users to engage naturally, creating a seamless, human-feeling learning experience. 3. Train while you work. Users don't have to leave their workflow to learn. Tutor-iT teaches directly on-screen while they interact with your platform, document, or software, maximizing productivity. 7. Unlimited users per tutor. One AI tutor can be used by an unlimited number of users, customers, employees, or clients, without any extra cost per seat. I would show you a quick demo now about how SMS-iT Tutor-iT works. I will go to the demo page, start it, and ask questions. Now, let's ask a question. Can you tell me more about this website?
The website is for SMS-iT Tutor-iT, which offers real-time AI guidance to transform your platform, team training, and customer support. You can experience a live demo by clicking the yellow bubble at the bottom right, tapping the microphone icon, sharing your screen, and speaking naturally.
Outstanding. That was just amazing. Can you tell me more about this website that I am looking at?
This website is for SMS-iT Tutor-iT, which aims to help you achieve 10x efficiency with your own personal on-screen AI coach. It empowers businesses, platforms, and customers with context-aware, multimodal agentic AI that sees, listens, and understands. It offers personalized on-demand training, advanced screen analysis, real-time visual and audio interaction, and adaptive and always updated support. It is ideal for businesses, SaaS and software platforms, and marketing agencies. You can access it now for free or try a demo.
Beautiful. Can you tell me more about the 4 pillars?
The 4 pillars of SMS-iT Tutor-iT are Discover, Interact, Train, and Grow. Discover instantly extracts detailed insights from any screen, website, software, document, or image, turning raw information into actionable knowledge. Interact engages in natural, real-time conversations with AI through visual and audio interaction, providing instant answers tailored to your specific context. Train delivers personalized and adaptive training, eliminating static tutorials by creating interactive, real-time, and engaging learning experiences using agentic AI. Grow scales your capabilities effortlessly by continuously upskilling your team and customers, leveraging adaptive AI that evolves with your business and market demands.
That's super amazing. Now, can you tell me more about this that I am looking at? I want to learn more.
The page is about SMS-iT Tutor-iT, which provides AI assistance for learning, guidance, and insight. It empowers businesses, SaaS platforms, and resellers with real-time, context-aware support. It helps analyze documents, explore software, and navigate platforms with AI that sees your screen and answers instantly. Over 21,000 businesses worldwide use it to elevate user experience and simplify training, support, and onboarding. You can access it for free.
All right, and how much is it? I would love to purchase it.
The business plan is $199 per month. The agency plan has custom pricing tailored to you.
Cool. Now, I would go to another website to test how smart the SMS-iT Tutor-iT is. And thanks for your help, Tutor-iT.
Glad it helped. What else can I help you with?
I want to see if I navigate to other websites. It can intelligently see my screen and tell me about the page. Can you tell me about this page?
This is the home page of X, formerly Twitter. You can see the For You and Following tabs at the top. Below that is the What's Happening section where you can create a post. In the main feed, there's a post from Elon Musk linking to a Joe Rogan podcast. On the left is the navigation menu with options like Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, Grok, Communities, Premium, Verified Orgs, and Profile. On the right, there's a Subscribe to Premium section and a What's Happening section that shows trending topics.
Amazing! Now I will click on the Stop button to stop Tutor-it from talking. The buttons here are the control buttons. The blue microphone button starts Tutor-it. The red microphone button stops Tutor-it from listening to my voice. The red X button stops Tutor-it completely. The interrupt toggle enables me to conversate with Tutor-it like a human and interrupt it when it talks. The field below allows me to write my messages to Tutor-it instead of talking. And above, you have the Languages section, which enables me to change the language and accent that Tutor-it uses. Now, I will log into the SMS-iT platform to show you how to easily create Tutor-it and add it to your SaaS platform or internal employee platform in less than 1 minute. Here is the page to create Tutor-it. The pencil icon allows me to edit Tutor-it AI agents I have already created. The red trash icon allows me to delete, and the last icon allows me to customize and brand Tutor-it to match my brand, and also grab the script to add Tutor-it to my own platform. On this Create or Edit page, I simply create Tutor-it by giving it a name, choosing any of the options, including prompt, my website, my chat logs, industry-specific tips, YouTube videos, PDF documents, my sitemaps, any Word document, and my code documents or any resource for my training materials to add training contents to train Tutor-it. I can easily scrape my entire website for the training or any document I want, and then I just click Save for a brand new Tutor-it AI agent, or Update for an existing Tutor-it AI agent. This black button here allows me to customize Tutor-it for my brand. I simply start by adding a widget image which shows up to my users to start Tutor-it on my website or platform. Then I choose the widget position, which is right, left, or center, to position Tutor-it. Then I can choose my brand color by choosing any color I want using the widget bubble color, then add an introduction text I want in the widget introduction text section, choose the text to voice type I want for the Tutor-it voice, and finally grab the Tutor-it script for adding Tutor-it to my platform from the embedded widget URL section, click Save, and am done. All under 1 minute. Now let's test Tutor-it on the SMS-iT platform. It has been trained, which means it can answer questions based on the image or screen it sees and the trained data it has been given to it by SMS-iT. SMS-iT already uses Tutor-it to replace the need for its users to use tutorials for using the SMS-iT platform. Tutor-it has also been trained to know the names of all SMS-iT users. Now, I will start Tutor-it on the SMS-iT platform and ask my first question, which is, how can I send an email message?
Hi John, I can help with that. To send an email message, 1. Log in to your SMS-iT dashboard. 2. Navigate to Communication, then click on Smart Inbox or Email 3. Click Compose Email 4. Choose your SMTP account or use the built-in email sender. 5. Fill in recipient email address. Subject line, message body, HTML supported. 6. Click Send.
Okay. I am now at the email section. What do I do next?
Okay, John, I see you've already selected the sender mail. Now, based on the image, you can 1. Select a group to send to or search for individual contacts. 2. If you want to send to multiple recipients at once, enable the bulk send toggle. 3. You can select a template from the drop-down menu. 4. Compose your email in the Write Your Message Here section. 5. Click the send icon to send your email.
Okay. I have done that. What else should I do now?
Okay, John, based on the image, you can now 1. Compose your email in the Write Your Message Here section. You can use the formatting tools above the text box to customize your message. 2. Add a subject to your email by typing it into the Add Subject text box. 3. Click the send icon to send your email.
Sweet. That was super amazing. It was answering questions and following me around as I went to other pages and sections of the SMS-iT website. SMS-iT also has hyper-realistic AI voices powered by 11 labs that you can choose while creating your own tutor-it, and it is already upgrading its Google text-to-speech voices to hyper-realistic voices, so you would have tutor-it sounding more human using Google Speech anytime from now. Now, I want to change my language and have tutor-it respond to me in a different language. I will choose French, and my question would be simple. Can you please tell me everything you just told me just now in French?
D'accord, John. D'après l'image, vous pouvez maintenant 1. Composez votre email dans la section « Écrivez votre message ici ». Vous pouvez utiliser les outils de mise en forme au-dessus de la zone de texte pour personnaliser votre message. 2. Ajoutez un objet à votre email en le tapant dans la zone de texte « Ajouter un objet ». 3. Cliquez sur l'icône d'envoi pour envoyer votre email.
Wow. Just wow.
As you just heard, tutor-it was able to tell me everything in French. This is super amazing for your international audiences and staff. Now, for my final test, I would go to the google.com website. I will search for SMS-iT and tell tutor-it to tell me about the search results. Can you tell me about what I am looking at? I want to learn more.
Based on the Google search results in the image, John, SMS-iT is described as an agentic AI ROS platform with 60+ microservices. It's built as a ROS platform, delivering predictable and measurable outcomes like lead generation, customer retention, and revenue growth.
So, this is the end of my presentation of tutor-it. To summarize, SMS-iT Tutor-it is your AI-powered on-screen tutor that delivers real-time training, support, and intelligent guidance directly on top of any website, platform, or document. Whether you're a business, a SaaS platform, a software company, or a marketing agency, tutor-it gives you a new way to train teams, guide users, and support customers instantly and effortlessly. What makes tutor-it powerful? 1. Screen-aware intelligence. Tutor-it sees your screen through live sharing, reads content using OCR and computer vision, and responds based on real-time context. 2. Natural voice interaction. Users simply speak, and tutor-it responds using hyper-realistic AI voices in multiple languages and accents. 3. Fast deployment. Launch a tutor in under 60 seconds. No code required. 4. Unlimited users per tutor. Use it internally or let customers access it. One tutor can support unlimited users. 5. Document and image analysis. Summarize PDFs, explain screenshots, translate content, and more just by sharing your screen. 6. Train while you work. No more static videos or reading docs. Tutor-it teaches on top of your existing workflow live. 7. BYOK model. Connect your own Gemini key for unlimited usage with OpenAI and Claude coming soon. 8. Resell or embed. Why you'll love SMS-iT Tutor-it. Easy to integrate, just copy and paste a snippet. Works on any platform, app, or internal tool. Eliminates the need for traditional tutorials and walkthroughs. Available 24/7 with full language and region support. Scales effortlessly with your business. Try Tutor-it now, no account required. Experience Tutor-it in action. Test it on a live website and see how it trains, guides, and explains, all in real time. Launch the demo now at tutor-it.sms-it.ai. SMS-iT Tutor-it, it's not just smarter training. It's the future of intelligent learning, delivered by AI.